Oh my goodness. This fish has 2 lures on him. Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I'm driving up to Upstate New York. I'm gonna be up in the Catskills for a job, and my hotel is actually stationed right off a creek. I've never really fished a creek before, but I heard this creek has a lot of smallmouth. I have a friend that's going to school up there. He gave me a couple of tips on what I can use to catch a smallmouth, so I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys are, because I'm hoping to catch some good smallmouth off the creek, so stay tuned and check it out. Alright, so today I'm going to be trying a new lure that I've never really used before in my life, which is tubes. They say this is good for smallmouth, so we'll check it out. Okay, so I am here at the river near my hotel. First attempt would be a crankbait. Oh, got one. Look at that. That was quick. Got a fish, baby. That's a nice smallie. Jeez, look at that. That was pretty quick, guys. Okay. Hook myself a nice smallmouth. Here we go. Wrong way. Goodbye, smallie. Looks kind of deep, huh? Here we go, trying to fish this thing. Yep, got one. Nice. Nice small nut. Nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth on a tube. Cool. Oh, I slipped. It's very muddy and slippery. And I just did a release. Okay. So the trick is make sure you don't get snagged. Snagged again. Oh, got it. Thank God. Okay, I don't know what's down there, but oh, the fish. There you go. Not too bad. Smallmouth number 3. Small, nothing too big. 2 on a crankbait, 1 on a tube, but I haven't fished. There you go. Nice. Oh, it's strong, man. These guys fight. I love it. Oh, it's a big one too, guys. It's a nice sized smallmouth. Look how big this one is. Whoa, baby. Another nice sized smallmouth. Kind of muddy. Hanging on the mud. Thank you for the fight again.
One strong fish. So the crankbait has been catching me solid fish. The other stuff is catching me okay fish. So I got my tube and I got my jig head. So I'm gonna do it, they call this stupid way. So here we go. In, here. Bring it about almost at the tip. Bring it like that. Pull it through. Turn it around. Pop this through. Then you put this through here. And out. Something like that. All right, let's give it a shot. Here we go. Stupid rig. Ooh, that's a horrible throw. Oh, I had one. Lost it because there's no hook there. Maybe like right there, maybe. It's not that far off on the bottom, actually. Oh, damn it. So my problem, I keep getting snagged on the rocks. Oof. Almost killed myself there again. So I'm gonna try it again. No luck with this thing. Back to the crank. Got another one. These guys fight, man. Look at these guys fight. They're so small. Jeez. I mean, these are decent sizes, though. These guys fight like a freaking 5-pounder. Seriously, man. All right, go. See you guys later. Crank's working. I am destined to catch on a tube. All right, that's that. No more tube fishing. Can't do it. I got it out. Oh, thank God. I got it out. Okay. Let's keep doing it because I got it out. Got one. Yes. On a tube. Yes. On a tube. Small one though, it's not that big, but they fight like a... Seriously, man. They do. Well, thank goodness I caught one on a tube. Nice. Let me try it again. Oh my God. Fishing line? Fishing line. Alright, so these things are weird. But I caught one. So whatever, I can't complain too much. There he goes again. Now it's gone. Alright, well, they work. Just can't seem to keep it every time. Gonna try the Kitech shad. Let's see if this thing works. There you go. Got one on the land. on the land. With a smallmouth, baby. It's small though. One day I'm gonna have to give him my hook. Because he's eating it. Alright, take my hook. Alright, back to my crank. Another one on a crankbait. Can't believe the crankbait still works non-stop. Still, I'm still catching non-stop. I could keep going all day. Good job. There you go, another one. Not bad. Good sized fish. Another one. A bunch of on the crank. I'm non-stop on the crank. Killing it with the crank. Goodbye. This is gonna be my final lure before I head out. I'm gonna try grub tail, darker color. Should work pretty good. Oh, damn it. Good, it came off. There you go. Whoa. That's a big one. That's a big one, guys. Oh my. Did it rock itself? Still on. I can't get it out. It's stuck on something. What do you do with a situation like this, guys? So, I got a fish. It got caught up on something. And it's not letting go. So, it was pretty big too. I had to let it go. That sucks. Oh, we see the fish. I got snagged. Caught up with something in the bottom there. I'm tired now. There we go. This guy's a big one then. This guy even has a... Oh my goodness. This guy's big. No, another lure. Look at this. Another lure. This fish has 2 lures on him. That's pretty crazy. This is a good size too. Alright, let's do some dissecting. Let's get this lure out of this guy. 2. Man, I don't have a scale, but it's gotta be a fatty. 2+ pounds. Easy. Okay. Bye, guy. Alright, let's hope that you're okay. 2 lures in this guy. Alright, here we go. Okay, this is he okay. Alright.
Alright guys, we're done. It's late afternoon now, 4 o'clock. I'm getting out of here. Gotta go home. But did very good, man. You know, hit up a river. My friend suggested. Caught about 12, 13 smallies. And those guys fight, man. I feel like I was catching 5-pounders. And I caught that one with another lure in his mouth. And I got snagged for a little bit. That was a pretty interesting experience there, you know. Just want to give a quick shout out to my friend Nick. Thanks for the tips. Check out his Instagram. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a comment, subscribe, and until next time, Surrounded by Salt, addicted to fresh.